Hi, today we will be talking about our new album. Keep watching to continue.
Hello, today we will be talking about our new album.
Shut up! I said that already!
What was that?
I said that already.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Now to the program.
Oh my god, where is Max? Hey, there you are.
Sorry, I was getting high on Dr. Pepper. I'm so sorry, man.
That is not important right now.
Fine.
And now to our album.
New album. Yeah, I got to go. Sorry.
Oh my god, where are you going this time?
More Dr. Pepper?
I wonder about you so many times.
Behind the scenes.
Oh my god, Max, why are you taping this?
Because
Okay, now after that screw up with Max. Sorry. Speaking of which, where is Max? Max.
Okay, I'm here. Yep.
What is it this time?
Brother.
Oh my gosh. Why do you have to get high off of everything, Max?
Yeah. Don't look at the chair when you go back there.
What do you mean by that?
Just don't look.
Oh my gosh. You had to eat that just like the Mountain Dew bottles.
Sorry.
Okay, and now to our album. Come here, Max, I need you in this. 1, 2,